Lincoln Pit Stop is getting ready for a big order on Wednesday as they are preparing to serve 120 meals to those who are helping fight the Black Mountain Fire northwest of Lincoln.
Yesterday we got 15 half-pound burgers and fries order, and then also we got 9 large pizzas for the fire crew. So we're not only feeding fire crew, but we are feeding the deputies as well.
Lincoln Pit Stop is one of several restaurants in Lincoln that law enforcement and the Forest Service uses to feed crews while on the job. The Black Mountain Fire is not the first time head waitress of Lincoln Pit Stop, Jennifer Bickle, has had to serve over 100 meals on a day's notice.
This isn't my first rodeo. It's a little chaotic, but nothing that we can't handle.
Lincoln Pit Stop will be using 480 pieces of bread tomorrow so that each meal can include 2 sandwiches. Bickle said running out of food is not a concern with a grocery store in town and a trip to Helena only about an hour away. She said that the abundance of business is not a problem.